Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about some way to become officer in armed force. There are different types of way to become officer in Indian Armed Force like NDA National Defence Academy, CDS Combined Defence Service, TA Territorial Army, NCC Special Entry, Technical Scheme Entry, Technical Graduate Courses, and Short Service Commissions. There are lots of way to become officer in armed force, but in this video we will only discuss about a single way single way to become officer in armed force, which is NDA. Now we will discuss about some points which is related to NDA. NDA is a NDA is NDA. The full form of NDA is National Defence Academy. It is a body of a UPSC. UPSC means Union Public Service Commissions. UPSC is a organizations which conduct all the competitive exams in India and at a national level. And the UPSC conduct NDA exam two times in every year, and the first notification declare in January and the second notification declare in June and July. And first of all, UPSC conduct a written exam for NDA to check the knowledge of cadets, and in which in which the total weightage of marks of written exam is 900, in which there are two types of subjective papers. First is math and second is GAT. GAT means general ability test. In math there are 120 questions, and 2.5 marks provided for every correct answer, and 1/3, it means 0.33 marks are deducted for every wrong questions. And the total weightage of math is 300 marks. Now we will talk about GAT. GAT means general ability test, in which include different types of subjects like English, biology, physics, chemistry, and history, geography, politics, economics. There are different types of subjects in GAT include and GAT and the total weightage of GAT is 400 marks, in which English for 200, and science for 200, and social study is also for 200 marks. And four marks are provided for every correct answer, and 1/3, it means 1.33 marks are deducted for every wrong questions. There is a negative market in marking in written exam. If any cadets do not attempt skip the questions, then no any marks will be deducted in his marks. Now we will it's all the structure of written exams. If anybody cleared the written exam, then they go for SSB interview, which is for 5 days, in which psychologists check examine the personality and intelligence of cadets who are going for become officer in armed force. So it is very important part of NDA exam, and they do not check the knowledge of cadets, they only check the personality and intelligence of cadets, which is very important for everybody. After cleared the SSB interview, in which SSB interviews there is also two stage. First stage for 1 day, and second stage for remaining 4 days. If any cadets cleared the SSB interviews, then they go for medical medical test. After medical test, they wait for a merit list. After in and after merit list come, and they go for training for 3 year in at Kharakwasla in Maharashtra, which is common for every cadets. After 3 year training, cadets must be take 1 year special training for their corps, like army, navy, air force, as he want to become in armed force. So it is short information about NDA. Thank you.